Verse 19. For another time of the end. And what do I, in your notes, what do I have? Yeah, well, why is the close of probation the time of the end?
Because the close of probation is the time of the end. That's by the most basic level.
End of the time, end of the time.
Yeah, well, that's at the level of, well, this is the end of time, but I'm looking for the prophetic reason. The time of the end is the end of a time prophecy.
Yes.
Did you?
Yes.
Did anyone else hear her say that? No, we didn't hear that. Okay, we got it recorded. Okay, the time of the end is the end of a time prophecy. 1798 is the end of a time prophecy, is it not?
Yes.
The line on the top, the 35 years, end of 35 years. With pagan Rome, the time of the end is the end of a time prophecy, 360 years. And with pagan Rome, this Battle of Actium not only lines up with the Midnight Cry, but the Battle of Actium also lines up with the Sunday Law. And the 360 years of Daniel 11:24, or the 360 symbolic time from the Sunday Law, goes to the close of probation, when Michael stands up. Why is that? I mean, what's your prophetic justification? Midnight Cry begins with the first Sunday Law. That's the Battle of Actium, and it goes to the Sunday Law in the United States, Daniel 11:41. But that history is repeated. That's the image of the beast history. That's the doubling of the Midnight Cry. So the image of the beast testing time in the United States begins with the Sunday Law, the first Sunday Law, and ends with the Sunday Law. But the image of the beast testing time in the world begins with the Sunday Law in the United States, and it goes to the universal Sunday Law. And Sister White says, when this law becomes universal, then the Lord will arise to shake terribly the earth. Something like that. That's the close of probation. So the image of the beast testing time, whether it's in the United States or the world, it begins and ends with the Sunday Law. But you can show that that's the 360 years of Daniel 11:24, from Actium until the kingdom's divided. When you get to Daniel 11:40-45, the kingdom's divided between the seas and the glorious holy mountain. That's Constantine in the year 330, dividing the kingdom to east and west. So at the end of a time prophecy, the 360, you can line up with the 1260, which you can line up with the 35. The end of a time prophecy is the time of the end. Therefore, the close of probation, whether it's the closed door in the United States, Daniel 11:41, or the closed door when Michael stands up, is the time of the end. You got that logic? Yes? Can you teach it? It is. It works. Verse 20.